Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your UForce 1000 front winch bumper. First thing you want to do is remove your factory fascia from the front of the bumper. With your Thumper Fab bumper, you have the option of running the factory winch in the factory location, or you can unbolt it and run it on top of the bumper. For this installation, we're going to put it on top of the bumper. So you want to remove the winch and fair lead from your chassis. The next step is to remove the bottom bolts from your lower radiator support. There's two 8mm bolts that need to be removed. Now you want to pull your radiator support forward and slide your bracket between the radiator support and the frame mount. If you ordered the optional light for your bull bar, now's the time to install it while the bumper's off the vehicle. You just take and put it in from behind and use the hardware supplied with the light bar. Now if you choose to install the accent panel cover for your upper light, you can go ahead and install it now. If you chose to put your winch in the factory location, now's the time to put your winch fair lead in the factory location. If not, you can add the accent panel to cover the hole. We're now ready to set the bumper on the bike. Grab a friend, place the two bolts in the top mount bracket. Now you want to start your other four remaining bolts. You have two bolts in the center through these eyelets and two bolts on the bottom. If you decide to use your factory winch, you will have to purchase a fair lead plate as an accessory for your bumper. You will need to install your factory fair lead onto the fair lead plate. You're now ready to install your winch onto your plate and slide it into place. Now that you put your winch on, you can tighten all your bolts and you're ready to ride.